Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah. Yesterday we have discussed the concept regarding accounts, GL account groups.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today we are going to configure these groups. Okay. So
Okay.
basically we divide the groups, GL account
Yeah.
groups under liabilities, assets, revenue, expenses, secondary and offsetting GL account groups. Okay.
Okay.
In liabilities, here you should follow the naming number series. Okay. So for liabilities,
Okay.
we should go for the one series. Okay. I will tell you how exactly we do in the real time also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So for assets, we should follow one series. Liabilities, liabilities, revenues, expenses, secondary cost, and upload or offsetting or take over accounts. Okay, these are the terminology they use. Usually we follow mainly these account groups. So
Okay.
you can account group. These are GL account groups. On GL account group. Okay. So we can follow these account groups. Okay. For all the liabilities, whatever the liabilities you want to maintain, you can maintain under this liabilities group. Okay. Whatever the
Okay.
assets you want to maintain, you can maintain under asset groups. Revenue under this revenue group. Expenses under expenses group. So secondary cost element, secondary cost account group. Right? So this is for the exclusively for the controlling costing purpose, secondary account groups. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So offsetting and uploading takeover accounts group, which is used for at the time of cutover activities. Cutover activities means when we extract the data from the legacy system. So here we have a present the company using tally system. Okay.
Okay.
For this tally system, they might using many transactions, right? Okay, different
Yeah.
transaction regarding liabilities, assets, everything they are using. Okay, so
Okay.
here what will happen? Whatever the data is there in the tally, the data of this tally legacy data system should be transferred to SAP system. For this, what we will do? We will create a takeover or yes, upload GL accounts. Okay, these are using
Okay.
only one time. These accounts will be used one time only. So once we
Oh,
uploaded all this data, tally data into SAP, we will freeze these accounts.
okay.
Okay. For that reason, we use upload or offsetting or takeover accounts group. Here under this, we will create different GL accounts with respective to different liabilities, assets, and revenues. Okay. So
Okay.
for all the balance sheet accounts, we will create one takeover account. For revenues, we will create one takeover account. For expenses, we will create one takeover account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So there we will have a accounts payable. For accounts payable, we will create one takeover account. Account receivable, we will create one takeover account. For GL general ledger, we will create one takeover account. Okay. So once
Oh,
we transfer the all tally data into SAP, then we will freeze these number ranges. Okay. So
Okay.
these one time using, they are not going to be used every time. Remaining these are completely, so we use for financial accounting. This is we
Okay.
this is used for exclusively for costing purpose. For cost
Oh,
apportion purpose, we use secondary cost account group. This one,
yeah.
yeah. This one we use for to transfer the data from the legacy system to SAP system we use.
Okay.
So here usually we follow series. Series. For liabilities we follow one series. For assets we follow two series. For revenue we follow three series. For expenses we follow four series. For secondary cost we follow nine series. For takeover account, what is the series I have mentioned here? Eight
Oh,
series.
yeah.
So in interview also they may ask you what are the
Oh,
offsetting account you have used? What is the series for that? So they may ask you.
oh,
So what is the
okay.
document type you have used for the uploading offsetting account? So this document type concept I will explain you. So
Okay.
what is the document type all this thing? So this is the
Yeah.
series we are going to use. So in real time also you will decide. So for asset, what is they want to use. So you can suggest them this is how we can use. So they will also think about it. So if they are following the same series also, you can use
Okay.
as it is. So
Okay, sir.
this is how you can decide the series and account groups. So even if you want to maintain broadly under liability, I want to segregate my liabilities. So if you want to segregate your liabilities, what you will do here, this is the liability is a one group. So I want to maintain all my liabilities more
Okay.
elaboratedly. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to maintain your liabilities more elaboratedly, under liabilities, these are the account groups I am creating differently. The same way for asset also we have created, right? For
Yeah.
asset also we have created. For revenues we have created. More
Yeah.
elaborately, you are maintaining, you are classifying your revenue GLs with the different account groups. Okay. So whatever the sales. So for all sales related GLs, I am going to use sales account group with respect to
Yeah.
revenues. Whatever the other incomes, other than sales, whatever the revenue generated from the other incomes, okay, other activities. So I will use other income. If I receive any discounts, okay, dis-
Okay.
it is not discount received, discount
Discount.
paid,
Okay.
right? At the time of selling, we are going to give, right, for the customers
Yeah.
paid, discount paid. Okay. So this is how we can elaborately we can classify our GL account groups.
Okay.
So here in the expenses, we have a raw material consumption, personal cost, manufacturing cost, administration cost. Okay. So raw material
Okay.
consumption means this is exclusively for the material management. So whenever we get any materials, so we will store it in the inventory. Okay.
Yeah.
We will store that material into inventory, which is balance sheet too. Okay.
Okay.
Which is a balance sheet account. So whenever we issue or we for the production from the inventory, so I want to use one or two raw material. Then I will issue the material to what is from the inventory GL to okay. I will issue to the
Yeah.
manufacturing. Then it becomes a expense, right?
Yeah.
So that GL will be used in the in this series, fourth series. under raw material group.
Okay.
So I want to maintain personal cost, means employee salaries, employee gratitude, some allowances, all related will be there, right? So
Yes.
those cost I want to maintain under personal cost. Manufacturing cost, suppose factory rent, factory labor wages. So all those things I want to maintain under manufacturing cost.
Okay.
Administration cost. So administration cost mean what are all the things? So we will have administration cost, administration rent, administration stationery and okay, we will have a stationery, we will have, right, for the
Yes.
administration. To run any business, the administration cost will occur, right? So those
Yeah.
things I will maintain in the administration. Interest. Suppose I have taken the loan, so for that loan I have to pay interest. So those interest I will maintain on this. Loans and
Okay.
depreciation. Every month I am running a depreciation run. So on my assets I am booking the depreciation. Okay, so that depreciation I need to debit to the P&L account, so that depreciation will be maintained under depreciation.
Okay.
Bank charges means, so for whatever the bank account, whether it is a current account or saving account, so bank will do a annual maintenance charges, right? Every year
Yeah.
the SBI cuts 350 rupees or 360 rupees, it will cut, right, for the bank.
Yeah.
So that
Yes.
bank charges I will maintain here. So whatever the transactions, so some extra OD, overdraft account, for overdraft account also they will do some charges, right?
Yeah.
The bank will impose some bank charges. This is
Yes.
cost of goods sold. So at the time of selling, we will have a entry cost of goods sold account related to finished goods. So to
Okay.
produce a final product, what is my cost of goods? Okay. So I have a one product. To produce that finished product, what is the cost incurred? Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Whatever the cost occurred in that final goods, so I will maintain in this cost of goods sold. Secondary
Oh.
cost group, we will maintain for the cost apportion, to transfer the cost from one cost center to another cost center we are using. So you may not get clear picture, but why we are maintaining these many groups, I am giving the clarity. So,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
you have to understand, you upfrontly you are not going to create all this group. You have to give the justification why you want to create this group. Okay. Then
Okay.
you have to convince for this purpose you can use.
Okay.
Okay. Here I have maintained item category. So this thing I will tell you at the time of document splitting. Why you we have maintained here itself.
Okay.
Now we are concerned with the deep thing. Here, so each account group will be assigned to our chart of account, operational chart of account.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Now you got the clarity, right?
Yes, sir. So, the cost of goods sold
Mhm.
series number is 5.
Yes, yes. Because I want to identify my cost of goods sold separately. Here, I maintain in the expense only. This is we maintain as a five series only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because these are common expenses. This is related to sales related, right? Costs.
Yeah.
We separately maintain. Here we will have a cost of goods sold split value will be there. So we will have a accounts like
Okay.
cost of goods sold
Yeah.
finished goods. Okay. Cost of
Okay.
goods sold semi-finished goods.
Um,
Semi-finished goods. Cost of goods sold raw material. So this is how we will have a different cost of goods sold. Okay. And some other
okay.
expenses also will be there. So the
Yeah.
cost related things will maintain separately in the separate series.
Okay.
To identify them separately, we are maintaining
Separate.
that series separately.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are going to configure the same thing in S/4HANA. So yesterday I have transferred this server details. Have you installed that GUI everything?
Yes, I've installed that.
You installed, right? So I
Yes,
have you logged in or not?
I'm logged in, sir.
Have you practiced or something?
No, sir, I haven't started practicing. I have to start.
It will start because if it file up, you will
Okay.
not get interest to practice. So
Yeah.
the more you practice from step by step, you will get the clarity what you are doing.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah.
So don't take burden completely at one day. So do it step by
Okay.
step. Is every day. Why I am not giving going fast? I want to make you concept wise clarity. So
Yeah.
configuration it won't take 5 minutes to me. Whatever the configure I have done, it hardly take 5 minutes for me. For you
Yeah.
also in future, the more you practice, you will also do in the 5-10 minutes there is configuration. But why
Yeah.
you are doing this configuration that is matter.
Yeah. Correct, sir.
So whenever you get this option, so you have to select
Okay.
continue with this login
Okay.
because the system suddenly logged out, right? The
Yeah.
previous sessions will continue this.
Okay.
Continue with this login and end any other in the login system. So if anybody using with the same user ID, so it will close other session, it will open the new system. When any existing logins to the systems are ended, any unsaved data is lost. So if you
Okay.
are using system, suddenly the system got logged up or stuck, whether it is
Yeah.
internet connection, then it will end all the existing session and it will whatever the data was unsaved it will lost, it will not save again, you have to recreate that.
Recreate. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are financial accounting under general ledger, master data, general ledger account, preparations, define account group.
Okay.
Here 2180. Did you find anywhere your 2150 chart of account 2180? No, right? So
No.
here we have to create our entries freshly. Okay.
Okay.
Why I have given this? Here you can maintain your chart of account. Okay.
Okay.
2180. For all against all each account group, you can maintain 2180.
Okay.
2180. All GL account group will be assigned to one operational chart of account.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I will do, I will copy paste. Now I will copy entire sheet. We can enter. So remaining thing we can copy and paste.
Okay.
Like, see, an entry already exists with the same key. Here, somewhere I have maintained the same thing, same identification. Enter P. That's it. Here, interest paid is there, right? Interest here modified to P.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have created for all account groups. Click
Okay.
on save. Okay, we have created our all account group. Here, save option is not maintained. You can write it down, save option. Click on save.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we have created all our account groups with respect to our chart of account. Okay,
Okay.
so for each account group, you can maintain field status. Okay, at the time of creating the GL master, what are the fields need to be there? Yesterday also I have explained you, right, this thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So here you can select which field you want to be required, which field you want to be displayed. Okay,
Okay.
suppress. If you select suppress option, so at the time of creating the GL master, it will not show any values.
Okay.
FS00. Here it will not show any fields.
Okay.
Suppose if you select P&L account type, suppress, this field will not be displayed next time.
Okay. Yeah.
So if you select required entry, this it will show in the tick mark in the field.
Yeah.
It is asking for the. Okay, now till now we didn't create any GL account, right? So the yesterday I have shown you, right, how these are all things happens.
Yes,
Required
sir.
entry, optional entry, display entry. So these
Yeah.
things we can control the GL account master fields. Okay. At the time of creating the GL master, what are the fields need to be displayed and it's what are the fields need to be mandatory, optional. Okay. What are the fields you don't want to see at the time of creating the GL master? These things we can control here.
Yeah.
Now, next one is define retain earning account. Okay. This is
Okay.
mainly used to carry forward the current year balance to next year.
Okay.
Do you remember that in the normal financial accounting, at the time of preparing the balance sheet, we will use profit and loss account, either net profit or loss in the balance sheet, right?
Yes, sir.
Retained earning account. Okay. What is retained earning account? Retained earning equal to profit kept in the business. Okay. Whatever the
Okay.
profit we kept in the business, we will use for the. It is accumulated profit not given as a dividend. Okay. So
Mhm.
whatever the profit you have generated from the business, so some profit you will kept it as a retain. You have retained. Okay. You didn't share to your shareholders as a dividend,
Yeah.
and which will be carried forward to the next year.
Okay.
So in the simple way, company profit that stays inside the company. So it will not be distributed with your stakeholders. Okay. It will kept for in your company, inside the company. It won't be distributed.
Okay.
How SAP handles retained earning accounts. So in SAP, retained earning is a special GL account. So we for this we create a one special GL account and it will automatically update during the year end closing. Either it is a month end closing or year end closing, it will be updated automatically. So for this account, we are not going to post manually.
Okay.
So manual posting means F+0. So here you are going to post this account. Okay. Suppose
Okay.
this not going anywhere. Okay. Here you will enter one GL account number or account party account number. Okay. Based on that, you are going to assign. Here we didn't create any GL account till now. Here
Okay.
manually we are entering the transaction to particular GL account. But
Yeah.
this retained earning account will not be posted manually. It will update automatically.
Automatic. Okay.
Okay. How it works? Step by during the year end, revenue and expense accounts collects balances. Okay. Whatever the final balance from the revenue and expense GLs. So it will collect the final balance and it will transfer to
Okay.
balance sheet account. At year end, SAP calculates profit or loss. Okay. So
Okay.
finally, when we generate the P&L statement, so either we get a loss or profit, right?
Yeah.
It will calculate and it will carry forward to the next year in the balance sheet.
Yeah.
The key configuration is we use OB53 to design this retained earning account. Okay. So which is
Okay.
linked to P&L account type X. So there is a P&L account type X. You can create as one or two retained earning account, but usually we will go with the one retained earning account.
Okay.
That is X. How it works? Revenue and expense accounts collect balances and year end SAP calculate profit or loss. Same thing.
Okay.
Everywhere it is. No, so because of this, the balance sheet will give the correct profits. Okay.
Okay.
Important SAP line. Is there any confusion here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Retained earning account works based on the account GL account type X, which is called P&L account type. Okay. All P&L accounts will be carried forward into retained earning account. This balance automatically transferred to balance sheet accounts.
Yeah.
Example, very simple. So revenue, we have a 50 lakh and expenses 35 lakh. Okay. So the profit 15 lakh. The balance sheet account returned to this account,
You.
P&L account, which is called retained earning account in SAP.
Okay.
What retained earning account is updated automatically during year end closing. For this,
Yeah.
there will not be any direct manual posting. So
Okay.
in the simple tip, retained earning means accumulated profit, which is linked to profit and loss account type X.
Okay.
Now, see, OBD4, where OBD4, where we create the GL account groups.
Okay.
OB53, where we create retained earning account. So we have to
Yeah.
give our chart of account to one, no problem, 2180. So here we have to maintain P&L account type X. So we create P&L account type under reserves and surplus.
Okay.
Reserves and surplus, we will create this one.
Okay.
till now we didn't created this GL account. At the time of creating this retained earning account, it will give one warning message. Account 1 lakh 100 is not created in chart of account 2180. So you can just ignore, click on enter,
Okay.
click on save. But don't forget to create later. Okay.
Oh, okay.
This GL account need to be created in the GL master under reserves and surplus account group, which falls under liability.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you can do, you can make note here under retained earning account. Here you can maintain note. So we have to create one GL account for retained earning account. So here what will happen? Retained earning account. We can create one retained earning account in earning account for operating profit and loss account. Okay, profit and loss account. One retained earning account for non-operating profit and loss account.
Okay.
Non-operating profit and loss account. Suppose I have used for the profit and loss for operating. Okay, I am using X. For non-operating, I am using Y. These are the
Okay.
retained earning account type I am using. What
Oh,
you will do here, you will come, click on enter.
mhm.
Y. Again, you will create one more account with 101. Okay.
Oh,
This is how you can create as many retained account as required, but usually we will go with the one account. Okay.
okay.
So if you create one GL account, so it will not display at the time of creating the this thing FS00. Here, this P&L account statement will not be displayed if you are using only one retained earning account. Okay.
Okay.
If you are using two retained earning accounts, then this P&L account statement will be displayed.
Okay. So two is always required.
Two is not required, but one is mandatory. Two is optional.
Okay.
So you want to maintain separate retained earning account for the operating profit and separate retained earning account for the non-operating expense. Okay, non-operating P&L accounts. Then you can
Yeah.
maintain two. One is
Okay.
mandatory. One retained
Okay.
earning account should be created. Because if you don't create any retained earning account, so you will not get a accurate balance sheet, accurate
Okay.
profit or loss.
Yeah.
Because whatever the profit or loss you are generating, so the final balance will be carried forward to the balance sheet account, right? So
Yes.
those values automatically flow into the this retained earning account, which
Yeah.
at year end it will carry forward to balance sheet account.
Yeah.
Okay. This concept at the time of creating the GL account, I will show you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
P&L
Yeah.
account, why it will show, why it will not show.
Okay, sir.
Now we have created retained earning account also. Now posting period variant.
Okay.
So posting periods are defined in the fiscal year variant. Okay. In the fiscal year, we have defined the posting periods, right? Have you
Yeah.
remember that posting periods? OB 20,
Um,
OB 29, V3. These are the posting period we defined here. 12 normal posting period, 4
mhm.
special periods.
Yeah. Okay.
So
The
the
fiscal.
posting periods are, yeah, tell. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. To
Yeah.
prevent document from being posted to wrong posting period, desired posting periods can be closed. Okay. So why we maintain the posting periods? Suppose we have a 12 posting periods, right? Here
Yeah.
we have a 12 posting periods, but I want to open only the current posting period. So current posting period as per Indian financial accounting year, current posting period is 2. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So I can open only the second period. Remaining periods will be closed. The previous period and the future periods. Those periods will not be open. So for that reason, to prevent the wrong document posting, we use
Okay.
posting period variant. Usually the current posting period is open and all other posting periods are closed.
Okay.
At the end of period, so I will show you that thing also.
Okay.
Nothing. OB52. So here they have opened all posting periods. So
Okay.
two, two. If you maintain in the from interval from period 1, the period 2 in the 2 period interval, period 2, which means so we have opened only the current period, which is
Okay.
May, okay, which is second period. Only this in this period only you are able to post. Remaining previous period also you cannot post, and future period also you cannot post.
Okay.
This is what the meaning.
Okay.
Usually the current posting period is open and all other posting periods are closed. At
Yeah.
end of period, it is usually closed and the next period open. Now, suppose May month is completed, right? May period is completed. So
Okay.
at the end of the May, what we will do? We will close May period. We will open next period,
June.
June period. June, which is third period. This is what
Oh,
open and close period.
yeah.
A period is opened by entering a range into posting period variant, which encompasses this period. Okay, this is
Okay.
that's meaning. Whatever the meaning for this line, this is what we do. So at the period end, a period is opened by entering the range into posting period variant. Okay,
Oh,
this is our posting period variant. Assume that till now we didn't create. So this is our posting period variant. So after close of this period 2, so period 2 is running. At the May
yeah.
31st, this period is going to be over, right?
Yes.
In that time, we will close the period 2 and we will open the period 3 by giving the range from and to. This
Okay.
is called opening the period and closing, removing the period 2 and opening the period 3. Okay, which means
Oh,
closing period 2, opening the period 3.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So I will reschedule the meeting again. So you can rejoin to the same link. The meeting is going. Okay.
Oh, okay. Sir. Yes. Okay. Sir. Done.